Today we're going to show you how easy it is to add the Tremor Bass Enhancer. First we're going to remove these 4 screws. And now we can remove the cap. This next step is important. We need to remove this membrane that seals the cabinet when you are not using the bass enhancer. If you don't remove this when using the bass extension, you will not be utilizing the new airspace that the bass enhancer provides, so please remember to remove the membrane. After the membrane is removed, we need to apply the included gasket to the tremor. The easiest way to do this is to start installing the gasket from the back corners and work your way in and then down the sides and finish by folding it over the front lip. Once the gasket is installed, we can attach the bass enhancer to the tremor. To do this, you will slide it into the slot and then use the same 4 screws that held the cap in place to secure the bass extension. It's easy as that. For more information, visit TruAudio.com.